Hi, I'm Daniel Overton from CR Kennedy, the Leica Geosystems distributor here in Australia. Thanks for joining us today on this two-part video series where we're going to take a look at the all-new BLK360 and how to transfer your scan data off your BLK360 onto your computer. Another one of the improvements with the all-new BLK360 are its data transfer options. Now, with the original BLK360, all data transfer was via a network connection. But with the all new BLK360, we have the option to use Wi Fi or USB-C. Now, the transfer methods we're going to be taking a look at in this video series are in addition to the traditional iPad transfer method over network. Now, the two transfer methods we're going to be looking at have two different maximum speed options. With Wi-Fi, we can get speeds up to 100 megabits per second, but with USB-C, we can get speeds of up to 450 megabits per second. So in this first video, we're going to take a look at our Wi-Fi transfer options. So first of all, we power on our BLK360 and we move over to our computer and select our BLK Wi-Fi network. Once connected, we have two different softwares we can transfer the data with. First of all, let's take a look at using Register 360. So in Register 360, once we've created a new project, we start off on the Import tab. On this Import tab, we have a drop-down menu where we can select the scanner that we're connected to. In this case, BLK360. Here again, we have another drop-down menu where we can select our connection type. In this case, we're selecting Wi-Fi. Once we hit connect, our project list will populate. We scroll down and select the specific job we want to connect to. Now, what's great about this transfer method is that all our links that have been created in the field transfer straight over onto our import. So we select our job and hit add to project. From here, we can choose our import settings and click import. Now, the other way to transfer data from the BLK360 is via the BLK Data Manager. Now, you would use the BLK Data Manager if you want to back up your raw data from your scanner and import it later on. So again, in this case, we connect to our BLK Wi-Fi and launch the BLK Data Manager. Here you've got a very familiar interface to what we saw in Register 360, but this time we choose our scanner type represented by little icons at the top of the screen. So here we select our BLK360 and again choose our connection type, Wi-Fi, and hit connect. Again, we're given a project list and we choose our job that we want to transfer. And now we click download and we're prompted for a storage location. This is where the raw data is going to be stored on our computer. And now with this raw data, we can just drag and drop it straight into the import box. And that's it. That's how you transfer the data off your all new BLK360 via Wi-Fi. Join us on the next video where we're going to go through the USB-C transfer options. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.